So a boat's anchor has to be considered part of your boat safety system. And in my case, I was starting having some concern about my chain. So this is a brand new chain, G4 5/16 that I bought, and this is the old 5/16 chain. I'm not sure if it was the G4 kind or not. That's the one that came with the boat 9 years ago. And you can see the last mail here is pretty rusted, and there are other parts that are kind of rusted. So if I take my caliper, you can see it's all rusted. Everything rust on my boat, but this gives us like the size of the new chain. And then you can see now those sections are pretty good. That's all the old chains that's folded on the dock. But as we get here, notice that it's kind of corroded, and this is not the worst part. We're gonna get to the worst part as I'm walking up there. As we get here, these mail here are pretty rusted out and tinned out. So, and if I look at this, you can see there's a big gap here of corrosion that just wore the metal away. Now the issue with that is, I mean, that chain held me fine for the last 2 seasons. I got it re-galvanized in 2019 in San Diego. The issue that you have now is that it's impossible to know the exact strength of that chain. So it was good enough for the last 2 seasons. It did well for me, but it was time to put a new one in, because you just can't have these things and wait till the chain actually just breaks on you. See here, this is a section. That link here is a linkage that, you know, is made to join the 2 chains together. But that fitting, when it's brand new and not rusted like it is right now, is only rated to a working load of 1,900 pounds, according to the papers at West Marine where I got it. So already that took almost half of the strength of the chain, because those brand new G4 chain are rated at 3,900 pounds, so almost 4,000 pounds when you look at a brand new one like that. So just putting that link in is halving my chain working load. And then the other males the other links that are all corroded, God knows when this one is going to break, right? So I didn't want to sort of take that chance anymore, and I just decided that this year was the year that I'm getting a new chain.